Welcome to English The Gab Lab. Do you want to go shopping but don't know how to ask for things in English? In today's video, you're going to learn the most important phrases so you can do it with no problem at all. Halfway through the video, there's a mini challenge for you. Then you'll listen to the second part, and finally, we'll review the most important phrases so you can repeat them after me. Let's start.
Hello! Welcome to Summer Style. How can I help you today?
Hi, I am looking for some lightweight trousers for the summer. It is very hot outside.
Of course! We have these beautiful linen pants right here. They are very cool and breathable.
Oh, I like them. Do you have them in white?
Yes, I think so. Let me see. What is your size?
I think I am a medium.
Perfect. Here they are, a medium white pair.
Great! Where are the fitting rooms? I want to try them on.
They are just in the back, on the left.
Perfect, thank you.
Awesome job! Now, let's look at this quick challenge. James wants to see if the trousers fit well. What is the correct word to fill in the blank so it sounds just right? Where are the rooms? I want to try them on. A, fitting. B, looking. C, stopping. And the correct answer is A, fitting. Where are the fitting rooms? I want to try them on. Perfect. Let's continue with the second part. Pay close attention.
The trousers fit perfectly. I'll take them, thank you. Oh, one more thing, please. I saw a swimsuit in the window display that I really liked. The one with the tropical pattern. Can I try it on too?
Yes, you can absolutely try it on. But I need to let you know about our store policy.
Oh, what is the policy?
You can try the swimsuit on, but if you buy it, you cannot return it.
Really? Why is that?
For hygiene reasons, swimwear and underwear are final sale. There are no refunds or exchanges on those items once they leave the shop.
I understand. That makes sense. It is for health and safety.
Exactly. But feel free to try it on to see if you like the fit.
Perfect.
So, did the swimsuit fit well?
Yes, I'll take it too.
Wonderful. Follow me to the cash register, please.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. That will be $45 in total. Please insert your card here.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt inside the bag. Have a great summer.
You too. Thanks for your help. Bye.
Bye.
Now that you've heard the whole conversation, let's review the most important phrases. That way, you can repeat them after me and put them into practice next time you go shopping. Let's get started. I am looking for. You use this phrase when you are searching for something specific in a store. For example, a t-shirt, a pair of shoes. Lightweight trousers. Lightweight pants that are cool and perfect for hot weather. Can I try it on? Use this when you want to try on an item to see how it fits. Where are the fitting rooms? Use this to ask where the changing rooms are so you can try on the clothes. Swimsuit or swimwear. This is the clothing we wear at the pool or at the beach. Store policy. This means the rules of the store. For example, the rules about returns or refunds. Final sale. No returns. This means you cannot return the item. Great job! Now let's do a quick quiz to check your understanding.
Don't forget to drop your answers in the comments below. Let's get started. Question 1. What is James looking for in the first part of the video? A. Lightweight trousers. B. A winter jacket. C. Black shoes. Question 2. Why can't James return the swimsuit after buying it? A. Because it is too cheap. B. For hygiene reasons. C. Because the store is closing. Question 3. How does James pay for his items? A. With cash. B. With a gift card. C. By card. Perfect!
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!